Hi everyone, my name is K. Ramachari, lecturer in zoology. Today is very important topic, human reproductive system. Very important topic, NEET level and theoretical level also. The main reproductive system, main important, different parts: a pair of testes, epidermis, vasa differentia, urethra, penis, and male accessory genital gland, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland are Cowper glands. Okay, first of all, this is the human reproduction, the male reproductive system. Human reproduction is a form of sexual reproduction resulting in the consumption of a child, typically involving sexual intercourse between a man and a woman. The reproductive events in the human include formation of gametes, gametogenesis, sperms in males and ovum in female. This is the main important to human reproduction. This is the model diagram. Different parts. This is a pair of testes, and after that this one is epidermis, and after that next one is vasa differences, and after that next one penis. This is the male, and after that associated glands, bulbourethral glands, prostate glands, and different type of glands are present. This is the model diagram. First, testes. Male reproduction consists of a number of sex organs that are a part of the human reproductive process, produces, stores and releases the male gametes or sperm. This is the male reproduction. First of all, testes. Male, the testes are a pair of oval pinkish male primary sex organs suspended outside of the abdominal cavity within within a pouch called scrotum. This is the pouch scrotum. The scrotum help in maintaining the low temperature of the testis 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade, lower than the normal internal body temperature. Main important, the cavity of the scrotum sac is connected to the abdominal cavity throughout the integual canal. Testis is held in position in the scrotum by the gubernaculum, a fibrous cord that connects the testis with the bottom of the scrotum. A spermatic cord formed by the vasa differences, nerves, blood vessels, and other tissues runs from the abdominal wall down to the testis through the integual canal. Okay, each testis, this is the model 1 testis. Each testis is enclosed in a fibrous envelope tunica albuginea. There are about 250 testicular lobes in each testis. Each lobe contains 1 to 3 highly called semiferous tubules. This is the semiferous tubules. And after this testis, totally 2 cells are important. Each seminiferous tubules is lined by the germinal epithelium, which consists of undifferentiated male germ cells called spermatogonial mother cells, and it also bears nourishing cells, nutritional called Sertoli cells. The spermatogonia produce the primary spermatocytes which undergo meiosis division, and after that next one, this is the leading cells, and after that the region outside of the semiferous tubules called interstitial spaces contain intestinal called as leading cells. Leading cells produce androgens, the most important of which is testosterone. This one is male important hormone, sexual hormone, testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Testosterone controlled the development of secondary sexual characters and spermatogenesis process. This is the testis topic. Once again, the testes are 2 oval-shaped male organs that produce sperm and hormones. Testosterone, the primary male sex organs, and after that, this is the epididymis. The vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into a narrow, tightly coiled tube called epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testis. The epididymis provides a storage space of the sperms and gives the sperms time to mature. The differentiated in three regions are present. This is the three regions. Number one is caput epididymis, carpus epididymis, chorda epididymis. Epididymis main important role. The main important role epididymis main storage. Epididymis provide a storage space of the sperms and gives sperms time to mature. Storage of sperms and mature of sperm. The epididymis is tightly coiled tube against the testicles. It acts as a maturation and storage place for sperm. This is the epididymis structure. Next, vasa deferens. The vasa deferens is a thin tube that starts from the epididymis to the urethra in the penis. The transport to sperm from the epididymis in antecaption of ejaculation. This is the commonly part is vasa differentia. Next one, vasa differences. The vasa differences and ductus differences is a long narrow muscular tube. The mucosa of the ductus differens consists of a pseudo-triangular columnar epithelium and lamina propria. It starts from the tail of the epididymis, passes through the integument canal into the abdomen and loop over urinary bladder. The vasa deferens is a thin tube that starts from the epididymis to the urethra in penis. Conveys sperm during sexual arousal through peristatic contractions. Peristatic contraction very important. Can also store sperm several months. This is the penis. External penis consists of shaft and a glans penis. A prepuce covers the glands. Internal penis consists of a urethra, transport urine and semen of the body. Three cylindrical body of erectile tissues, a spongy network of vascular spaces filled with blood during sexual excitement. Corpora cavernosa, corposa spongiosa. Corpora cavernosa paired erectile bodies dorsal to the urethra, which are responsible for erection, surrounded the urethra and prevent the collapse of the urethra during erection. And this one is also very important. Accessory glands in male sexual, seminal vesicles, prostate glands, bulbourethral glands are cowper glands. The glands produce nurturing fluid for the sperms that enter the urethra. First of all, a seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are sac-like structure attached to the vasa deferences at one side of the bladder. This is the this is the one side of the bladder. And they produce a sticky yellowish fluid that contains fructose. This is one also fructose. Main important seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are a pair of simple tubular glands present posterior inferior to the urinary bladder in the pelvis. Each seminal vesicles opens into the corresponding vasa deferences, where the vasa deferens enter the posterior gland. The secretion of the seminal vesicles constitute about 60% of the volume of seminal fluid. And after that, this is the main important role. Different elements also present. And the next one is prostate gland. The prostate gland surrounds the ejaculatory duct at the base of the urethra, just below the bladder. The prostate gland is responsible for making the production of semen, a liquid mixture of sperm cell, prostate fluid and seminal fluid. This is the prostate gland. This one is prostate gland. And prostate gland is located, this is the prostate gland located directly beneath the urinary bladder. The gland surround the prostate urethra. The sends its secretion through several prostate ducts. Main important, the prostate secretion activates the spermatozoa and provide nutrition. And final one, bulbourethral glands and copper glands. The bulbourethral glands are two small glands located on the sides of the urethra just below the prostate gland. These glands produce a clear, slippery fluid that empties directly into the urethra. And main process, the passage of spermatozoa, seminiferous tubule, rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejectory duct, urethra, vagina of the female. This is the passage of spermatozoa. This is the and bulbourethral glands are two small glands located on the side of the urethra just below the prostate gland. The glands produce a clear, slippery fluid that empties directly into the urethra. This is the today small topic. This is the today just information. Human male reproductive system, a pair of testes, epididymis, vasa deferens, and urethra, penis, and accessory glands, seminal vesicles, prostate glands, and bulbourethral glands and copper glands. This is the today class. Thank you for your support. Do like and subscribe my channel.